Profile picture on Airbnb. Hey guys, everything okay? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. And in this video I'll show you the step-by-step process to add a profile picture here in the Airbnb app on your cell phone. Do you like videos like this? There are already other related videos on the channel. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like. I'm always making videos to help you guys. So come on guys, it's really easy to add your photo. I'm already here in the Airbnb app and you're going to click on the menu option here on the side menu. The menu will give you some options such as earnings, information, but that's not what we want right now. We're going to click here on account and then click on the first option, your profile. Your profile will show you the date you registered. So this registration is new, same Airbnb. And you're going to click up here on edit. In edit you can finally add your photo. I'm going to click here on add and it's going to ask if you want to add a photo from your gallery already saved in your gallery, or if you want to take a picture with the camera right away. So I'm going to click here on gallery. I'm going to choose a photo from my gallery. Then just click below to finish. And that's it guys. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'm staying here, big hug. Stay with God. Thanks guys.